Gorilla Tag has an update. Look, wait, it's not purple, but it's just an update, you know, with Little Monkey VR.
Yes! Get in! Subscribe! Whoopee!
Yes, but
I'm
first...
doing it with Little Monkey VR.
That's what I just said, bro.
Go subscribe!
Do you mean Big Monkey VR, bro?
Oh, big Monkey VR.
This guy, man.
And subscribe.
First thing, I can see...
Don't scare you. Yeah,
I can see blue stuff in forest.
Let's go to city.
What the flip?
He's doing forest because he's the little
So snowballs are different. Can you see that texture?
loser, so let's go
It has like a blue out stuff. Like
Oh my god.
it's blue. Whoa.
Oh, this camera
Oh,
is actually...
wait. It just turned big.
You've got this, I don't know if this is there.
How big can it get? Oh, flip. Little Monkey VR. I just found something really cool. Bro, look at that snowball. Oh, flip. Little Monkey VR, bro. Little Monkey VR, where the Sigma are you? Look, I found something. The snowball's a big snowball. It's a big snowball.
I don't know if that was already there or not.
Whoa, I just got launched a bit.
I can't show you guys that.
So,
Can't show you guys that.
a new bundle.
You guys that yet? So,
A new bundle.
we've got cars, vroom, vroom,
New monkey blocks
This one's my
stuff.
vroom, vroom.
As you can, it's monkey block stuff.
Snow. We've got snow. We've got
Oh.
snow in the city.
You can turn into an elephant.
Like, yeah, you can turn into elephant as well, guys.
Skibidi toilet. You can be skibidi toilet. I'm gonna be skibidi toilet.
Then I'll come back with you guys.
I'm gonna be skibidi toilet. I'm skibidi toilet. I'm skibidi toilet. I own skibidi toilet. I'm now skibidi toilet. I bought skibidi toilet. What's this? Gold chain, yellow teeth with free badge. Nice. Oh, hell is that, bro? Why is there snow in here? Look, it turns. Flip. It turns big. This is so fun to do. It's only up to this. I think I got launched by it. I'm gonna see. Yeah, you get launched a bit. Little Monkey VR, bro. I cannot hear you at all, bro.
I'm not talking at all.
Oh, that's why. So this,
What is this?
you turn into a baby, bro. Wait, what? Why did I think I was a baby for a sec? It looks like a thing, you know, when you eat, you put, who cares? Free badge. Oh, you can wear it with that. Oh. Look though. Look, bro. Oh,
I'm not finished.
he ran. I'll try to punch him. Alright. What? It's just a gold chain. Nice. What the Sigma? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! It's like gold teeth. That's pretty cool. Like when you speak, it's makes you have gold teeth. That's pretty sick. I think there was more stuff, so I'm gonna go check it out. Dolph. It's TTT Pig!
Like it. Yeah, it's just so sick, man.
Little Monkey VR, look, I'm gonna turn into you.
Yeah,
I'm
and
literally
this
you
is
in
his
real
fit.
life.
And this is his fit. Boy, get out of here.
The nose moves. Adding.
So yeah, let's go check out.
I'm
the
having
map.
way too much fun, bro.
Guys, this is my fit. Yeah, just rate it out of 10 in the comments.
This is my fit so
Yeah,
far.
let's go check out some
I'm
other
literally
maps.
skibidi toilet. They added a skibidi toilet before GTA 6. That's crazy.
I'm going to check
Oh,
out
cars. I didn't actually check this out. Right, you can see the new map. See if it's good. Wait, there's a new map.
Mountains. Mountains.
Oh, I thought it said there was a new map. So first,
Blue's changed.
a car.
You guys want to see something?
It moves. Can it? All right, it's just stuck like that now. A red one.
Big monkey VR, come.
I'm checking out the cars. This one's pretty sick. Wind it up. Look,
Big monkey VR.
it's still moving, but
Let me show you. It's really cool.
the gloves. Oh hell! Why is it actually kind of? It's dug the bug,
Come.
and I have the stick. I can ban people. I'm putting that off. So now I'm gonna see what he's talking. Wait, first
Mountain.
I didn't. Yeah.
Big monkey VR, come to mountain.
Oh.
Come to mountain.
Yeah, this is so cool. I'm seeing this, bro.
Big monkey VR, come to mountains.
That's pretty sick. Alright, I'm gonna go to mountains now. What did you want to show me so much?
Igloo.
What about Igloo? Is that what you wanted to show me so much, bro? It looks kind of weird, though. What did they do?
Yeah.
Everything's infected.
Let's go to secret tunnel, guys.
He's still launched up there. I'm gonna hit secret tunnel. First try. First try. First try. At skibidi toilet. Never mind. I didn't do it.
How much was the skibidi toilet, big monkey? Big monkey,
I'm coming.
how much was skibidi toilet?
I bought skibidi toilet, bro. I'm literally the most skibidi toilet in the world. I'm the skibidiest toilet of them all. What's it like in... Little Monkey VR, where did you go? Oh, you're down there.
Secret tunnel, guys.
Bit.
Where have you gone? I don't mind. I'll get a head start.
Hello. Little Monkey VR. Is there anything different in the other maps? Whee!
Right.
Right.
I reckon I can make it up the secret tunnel before you.
Would you
It's the
up
secret
there?
tunnel before you.
Up there?
Not going to tell you. How are you so fast?
It's just, because I'm him, bro.
Oh, you're actually gay.
Yo, just because I'm better than you, bro. I know my ways. Where'd you go?
I'm just going to go.
No!
I'm telling you, I'm going to make it before him.
I already made it, bro.
Oh no, I missed it. I missed.
You're trying to go top then, I guess, so pretty easy. Going top is easy, bro. Easy. Right, I'm gonna check out the other maps because we've been in mountains way too long.
Yeah, we've been mad way too long.
Yeah. I bet I'll beat you.
Big monkey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go to.
Okay.
But actually, I'm gonna. Forest is gonna be safe to us, so.
I've already checked Forest out. What the flip? How'd they do that?
Big monkey.
Yeah.
We're on beach.
Okay. The flip? What's wrong with the ATM? The flip?
Last one to beach is gay.
The flip? Yo, I'm checking out
Flip, you might actually win.
the ATM, bro. The ATM looks weird.
I know it's got key. It's got key.
My routes are on top, bro. I made it. I'm in beach entrance. I see you. I'm beating you. Wait, why are you actually so fast on ropes? Made it. Little monkey VR, bro. I made it. Easy. Oh, nice. So, beach. Oh, so there's something, an ice statue in every map by the looks of it. Like there's one down there, so I'm gonna go to it. Flip. Look right here. Where'd it go? Oh, it's here, it's here. Look, statue. I think I look quite like it. Look. Easy.